Hello everyone, myself Mr. Bhaskar Roy, Assistant Professor of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering Department of Asansol Engineering College, welcomes you to this online video lecture of simple circuit of LED blinking using Tinkercad online tool. First of all, we have to go to the Google search engine and type Tinkercad and enter. Now this is the link, circuit on Tinkercad. So we just click here. Now go to the home page, and there are several options: 3D design, circuit, code block, lessons. So we just click on this circuits and then create new circuits. So as we click this one window will appear here. This is the circuit design window for this Tinkercad online tool. Now at this side you see that there are several devices, components, resistance, LEDs, push button, capacitors, batteries, several devices available, elements available here. So we just choose out of these elements, as per our requirement, we can choose any element. For example, we are choosing this Arduino UNO. So we just click here and drag to this part. So this is Arduino UNO board. Now we are going to build a circuit using LED blinking. So obviously we have to choose this LED also. So we are choosing this LED here. Just adjust this one. So this is red LED. If you use orange LED, you can select this one for orange LED. Then we are taking this resistance. Now this resistance value we can take here 220 ohm. We can choose any value between 200 to 1000 ohm. So for this we can choose 220 ohm as the value of the resistance. Then we are going to connect. So this is the cathode terminal. So we are connecting this cathode terminal with the ground by this wire connection. So again this wire connection, the color of this wire you can change. Here it is green. Say for example, if we are choosing the ground connection as black, usually it is black. So, and then the resistance, this is the resistance, and we are connecting this anode terminal with this terminal of this resistance, and this is the color of say red. Then again we are connecting this terminal with pin number 13. So we are basically connecting this LED through this resistance with across this ground and pin number 13. These pins are the digital pins of the Arduino board, and basically this is the inbuilt LED here. You are seeing this LED. This is the inbuilt LED of this pin number 13 across ground. and we are connecting this LED externally just. Then we just click this code. This is the code. Now, whenever we click this code, this is the graphical representation of the code. So as per our circuit configuration, this code will appear automatically. So what is the first graphical representation? Set built in LED to high. So this is the built-in LED. So this is first of all, this is high condition. In high condition, then we are going to insert a wait state, that means a delay of 1 second. Then again set this particular LED to low condition, and then again insert a delay or wait of 1 second. So this is the whole program. Now we are just basically deleting these blocks one by one, and show how this graphical coding you can use by these blocks. So first of all, this LED is acts as output LED. So we are just clicking this output section and set this built-in LED block, drag this block to this field, and then again we are clicking this control. So then wait block, we are dragging this wait block at this field. Then again go to the output, then again set built-in LED block here, drag, and then control again, and then dragging the wait block to this. So this is the program. So high 1 second delay, then it should be low. So we are changing this value low, and then 1 second delay. So this is the program. Now we are, if we are going to see the actual coding, text coding. So we just select the text and then continue. See, this is the coding. This is the actual coding behind the graphical coding. So pin mode 13. So we are connecting the 13 pin across ground. So as output, so 13 pin is output. Then this is the main part, the looping part. So digital write pin, that is pin number 13, is high. So initially this pin should be high. Then you are inserting a delay of 1000 millisecond. Basically 1000 millisecond is equivalent to 1 second here. So then the digital write 13 pin again low condition, then delay of 1000 millisecond again. So this is the loop, high, delay, then low, then again delay. So we are again clicking this block mode. So this is our program in graphical mode. So now if we are start simulating, then what will happen? This LED will glow and then off, then on and off. So a continuous on and off glowing of this LED and off of this LED will appear. The continuous LED glow and off will appear here. So and obviously if we not connecting this resistance, then a warning message will show that this LED will may burn out. So we have to use this resistance to limit the current here. So now this is the start simulation button, and just click this button here, and after clicking this button, see this LED will on and off after certain timing. So what timing? The timing is 1 second. Now if we want to change this timing, so just click here and say 5 second of on and then 5 second of off. Then again start simulate. Now see this time the LED will on up to 5 second and then off till 5 seconds. So in this way you can build the hardware and simulate the particular circuit using graphical as well as text code. So thank you very much for your patients.